It's Gagasi FM. We're celebrating Uhambo Lucas Java. He's back with a brand new music. Uyazi ukuthi lensizwa kunamalanga ekhipha ngawo phela, you know. Ayikhiphi ngale nje. Java, welcome to Gagasi. Welcome to the show.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu sanibonani ngibelele nje kuwonke umuntu nawo wonke umuntu olalele njengamanje sanibonani nje nonke. Yeah.
The name of the album or of the EP.
Yeah.
Ivelaphi. Uyineme kanjani?
Igama la inkanyezi. Inkanyezi ke siyazi ukuthi yini sonke inkanyezi nanokuthi khanya inkanyezi khanya amakomnyama. Iqhamuka amakomnyama esikhathini esiningi. Ingakho ke ngithe igama la inkanyezi ngoba indlela ebengizizwa ngayo ukuthi ngathi ngiyinkanyezi, so ingakho ke ibizwa inkanyezi.
Yeah. What's so different about this project compared to the other project owenzile Java?
Ngakusho ukuthi into ehlukile ngale project indlela enziwe ngayo njengoba isho ukuthi it's a live EP.
Yeah.
Saya recorder State Theatre ePretoria. So yonke into irecord same time ne crowd ikhona akunakuthi awuthi ngiphinde futhi. So we wanted to capture that feeling because most of the time abantu abaningi abakhona ukufinyelela emashowini, so kunezinto bengibone ngathi kune feel ethizeni or a vibe thizeni that they miss out on, so ngathi awuthi ngiba capture leyo this thing banikeze, even though you've never been to the shows, but just to give you a feel ukuthi kuba njani lapha umoya uba njani at these shows. So ngasho ukuthi umehluko ibona lo ukuthi it's a live EP because most of the time monke ama album nama EP ngewakhipha they were all recorded at studio, so this is the first time recorded something live.
I mean I've been in your presence. We travel together, we do shows together, but this one inenye into kunala feel. Take us through to the tracking of the EP yakho entsha inkanyezi.
Igama lengoma oqala ikuye okuyingoma ekhuluma about unokubona emohlukene nomuntu uthola ukuthi uyazi ukuthi lo muntu akekho right for wena, but uthanda ukuthi lack overpower and elifuna ukuthi ubuyele back to that person. So ingoma whereby uncenga inkosi uzincenga nawe, you talking to yourself with please let's not go back to that person. And then elandelayo bese kuba madibuseng ngikhuluma ngomuntu ongazazi ukuthi ufunani. One time yakuthanda nini nasakuthandi, uyeza ukuthi uzolala mayefika seyahamba futhi uthi uyakunyanya kodwa umuntu okay ayithi ngihambeke uyakhala futhi umuntu nje ongazazi ukuthi umephi udidekile. So ukukhumbula kumadibuseng ingoma yakenziwa ke iqembu le Trompisi from Middlelands yayithi madibuseng so lelo khuzu iketsa robot ngithathe kubona abaningi ke basebancane ngebayazi lonke
ama 2000
ngebayazi, but ngiyangithanda ukuthi ngenze izinto ezokwenza ukuthi umuntu ayokwenza research every time they listen to umculo engwenzayo because ngiyangithanda ukufundisa abantu about certain things. And then bese kuzoba ingoma ethi Sleep Over, okuyingoma ke ekhuluma kakhulu about spending time nomuntu wakho, izinto efana nama date shoot lapho kusoyikhuluma inkaba ukuthi hayi bengazi ukuthi mina ngiyoke ngidle ema restaurant, bengazi ngiyoke ngigqoka igown, bengazi ukuthi impela nje ngiyoke ngibe romantic ngalendlela. So ingoma nje ikhuthaza inkabi nabafowethu ukuthi hayi madoda hayibo ake nithambisa kancane omama sike sibakhiphe kumnandi kwa noma kungajwayelekile. But intenhle. So Sleep Over ke ingoma ekhuluma ngaloko. Bese kuba ingoma ethi uyena, ethi uNkulunkulu kuphela waziyo ngekusasa lami, omunye uthi uyazi uqamba amanga. Ingoma ke eyigospel yona abantu bayayithanda kakhulu ke, so ngadecide ukuthi hayi awuthi ngifake ke lapha ku EP. So ngasho ukuthi izingoma etholakala ku EP lezo.
I mean the gospel song kimina mangi ngengadlala iJoyous the other day ku soul and R&B, and before when uzo jumper in and then the crowd went crazy, but after you jumped crazy the people after you jump on stage people went crazy even more. Yini le ekulengoma le ene gospel feel?
It's a feel good song. But anything akusingoma focus kakhulu on certain chords on perfection.
Yeah.
But ingoma that is very jolly, ingoma nje ene vibe emnandi. Besides nje message ke yenza ukuthi yonke into ibe complete because at the end of the day iqinisi lona lelo ukuthi umuntu waziyo ngekusasa lakho uNkulunkulu nabakini akekho umunye ongatshela ukuthi uyazi ukuzokwenzakalani ngekusasa lakho kusasa. So ingoma ke ngikholwa ukuthi sonke lokho nathi siyakwazi, so ingakho nabantu abaningi beyijabulela because iyasho ukuthi nje uyedwa umuntu owaziyo ngekusasa lami, because abantu banalo into ukuthi hayi ubani ngeke abe lutho, ubani ngeke ayendawo, mhlambe umuntu uzama something to awuzophelelaphi ngeke ilast leyo nto. But the honest truth is abazi nabo bakhuluma nje from umona or from negativity, but uyedwa umuntu owazi ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani ngawo, whether good or bad. uNkulunkulu.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, in the studio we're joined by Sjava. Recently dropped an EP, the Inkanyezi live EP. We keeping ngomhla what 31. Why 31 Jan? I mean, a lot of artists will say, "Hey, I want to drop ngabuma October da just to target to December." Why after December?
Molalele zengoma even on the EP ayikho ingoma ngathi uDecember. I don't think December kunomuntu ongafuna ukulalela certain songs because most of ingoma ezikhulumayo than just songs that are making you dance. I think December a festive season, people wanna dance, people want to groove abenze yonke into. I don't think there's anyone ongafuna ukuyohlala groove ngo December and listen to a song edinga ukuthi ayilalele for them to understand it and get it. December kumele nje uqhushqhush ziwe shone phansi kube mnandi, and then January ila umqondo khona ubuya khona webhayi siqala ireality ukuthi okay uJanuary manje ngempela what's the plan for me this year, kwenzakalani ngelife yami. So that's when I come through ke sengizokukhuthaza and really make music ozokwenza ukuthi ucabange and uthathe impilo yakho serious and really njalo
no
ngisekune umuntu ongilokhuza lapha. uJanuary isona sikhathi engikholwa ukuthi wonke umuntu lapho kwaleyo mali usuke isiphelile, so konke nje kuyabuya, so ucabanga kahle manje ukuthi hey wemadoda ngenze njani makunje ila ngiqhamuka khona ke mina ikhuthaze and tell you ukuthi hayi kulonyaka uzokwenza kahle, uNkulunkulu kuphela waziyo ngekusasa lakho and just give you that motivation. Abanye December baba into mzava lamafoni abangayithola sebuya January, abanye bathi hayi bengiyothwasa dali ila sengiqhamuka khona ngengoma efana nokuye webhayi ukuthi hayi ungabuyeli lapha na December lo muntu kwenze kanje njoba ku January don't go back there, udlala ngawe vela, you understand. So uJanuary ke nguthandela lo nanothi siqala le khenana ngithi sithole ibusiso bese siyabuya January ziyakhala.
Somebody was telling me that ukuthi uSjava iplan is like uyiplanile ukuthi nje mangibuya eKenan ngiyadropa. Is it a strategy ukudropa your music now and then, because from January until the end of the year usuke se umuntu beyicula lezi ngoma zakho?
Ngathini, like I said, more than anything nje indaba yokuthi kushaya umoya and none a message that's in the music. I think it makes sense more mayizoqala nonyaka. Angisho ukuthi ngeke kwenzeke empilweni nami ngikhipha ingoma December, mhlambe ngenze project epiano mhlambe iyophuma ngawo December ngoba it will be making sense ngawo December. So nje yiloko, but wonke umsebenzi engwenzayo ngimqale ngocelela iqala before ngikhiphe. So kubalekileke lo ukuthi hayi ufike ubeke lapha unyathela nje uthi hayibo na umsebenzi kanje, nazi inhlelo zami zonyaka ngifisa ukuthi kube kanje na kanje. Hayi naloko ke kubaleke kakhulu ngoba kuyawenza umehluko.
Man. Ladies and gentlemen, joined by Sjava. Indlalifa is in the studio. So amafans wakho ayakuthanda boss. You know, ayakuthanda. Do you see that kuwena mawugibele stage ukuthi bantu bayakuthanda? Because I normally ask i-crew yakho because sihlale sihamba sonke. Ubungani uyayibona ini lento le? Mhlambe kuyena kusase ukuthi ngisaphemba mina.
Ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuphemba kupheli. Ukuphemba kupheli, but I am aware of support abantu abangipha yona because ngomuntu mina okholelwa kakhulu kubantu abangisupportayo, yiba beza kuqala more than anything. I choose them, I put them first before anything because ibona abantu that really support me even namanje njengoba besenza screening sayo le live DVD abantu bonke abantu bebalapha ayekho umuntu obemenyiwe lapha everyone obeka lapha umuntu owini competition beyithi sibonisa ama tickets akho from 3 different shows owattendile that's how you got to win to be at the screening so bonke abantu abebalapha nje abantu that support me people that have been to more than 3 shows so ngiyangithanda ukuthi ngasonke isikhathi ngibenze babonise nabo ukuthi ngiyababona you understand and ngibabonise ukuthi babaleka kangakanani kimi nanokuthi ngizame ngayo indlela noma bebaningi but ngiyazama ukuthi ngibe ne relationship nabo and just be closer to them bangangithathi nje just ngomculi kuphela nami ngabathathi nje just ngabalandeli but sibe nomndeni and because namanje kunabantu that have met through these shows asebe abangani you understand outside the music usubona bebonke somewhere mhlambe khabo omunye kunomsebenzi sebeyasupportana and muthapeka they met through lento engenza umculo even namanje we working on indaba ama branch we going to be starting ama branch very soon if you ne interest mhlambe listening to this umuntu that likes and respect what I do ngakini mhlambe ukholwa ukuthi ungakwazi ukuthi ulibambe lelo qhaza please let us know singathi sebadinga abantu abazobamba lawo ma branch lawo and see ukuthi yini singayenza outside the music nanokuthi nemphakathi yangakithi singayisiza kanjani through lawo ma branch lawo
man so ukujula kwakho uma ubhala kanjani ubhala ngento ibonayo Ndlalifa or yinto that ephuma kuwena phakathi
kuyadependa kusisikhathi kuba into ephuma kumina njenganje le EP ngikhola zonke ingoma ezikule EP zonke iqhamuka kumina it's something engiexperience it's something engiyaziyo but then kuyenzeka sometimes uthola ukuthi ingoma uyayibhala athi ingoma ziyafikela kusisikhathi ungasho ukuthi wena vele ngifuna ingoma ukuthi nanokuthi but most of the time ingoma ziyayifikela because akusikona ukuhlakanipha kwakho kufika kwale ngoma na these messages when ukhethiwe ukuthi uyidlulise lemlayezo so for me ngithi it comes from this and that but kuyayifikela and like I said ukuthi okunye kwenzeka kimi okunye ngiyakubona kwenzeka abanye abantu kokunye nje into evele ifikele ngayicula ingoma mina entweni mina personally engakholelwa kuyo but uthola ukuthi low message ifike kimi ukuthi ngidlulise so it gets tricky kanjalo but whatever lethwe kimi ukuthi ngidlulise ngizoyidlulisa
no man uma ke uyi big fan yakho your mother uma wetsonke yiphi ingoma iphikile kulezi ingoma lezo zikhiphile kule EP
obvious uzokhetha la phela uyena obvious uzokhetha
I'm sure sekayicula already useyayazi
kabi befonile nje izolo eGalti ngiyeza ukuthi hayi zakhala la so yena yayona ingoma ayithandayo bonke omama bathanda leyo ngoma
bonke omama actually even my mother nayo uthanda le ngoma ethi hey yazi lo mfana lona wase Bergville ukhona ugcoba nalo ma sobona ugcobo manje la sishaya umculo so now in closing ungathini kuma fans wakho I mean already abantu sebebonisile ukuthi bayakuthanda now uyababonisa ukuthi uya appreciate that ungathini kubona right now
ngadlulisa ukubonga more than anything ngiyabonga kakhulu for the love for the support ingakho ngasonke isikhathi ngizama ukuthi ngenze izinto nami ezizobajabulisa njengawo lama show esiwenzayo amanye awenzi ngisho imali uyazi-ke wena but isiwenza ngoba siyayithanda lento esenzayo ibalekile lento esenzayo nanokuthi kunabantu abasupportayo that deserve to see us sicula le ngoma lezi so nje kuyimanje ama dates wakhiphile siyeza koThekwini Bloemfontein Cape Town Mpumalanga indawo esoyihambela lezo sishayo ingoma le kuyitho ye 2018 tho ke bakwethu ngizobe ngicula ingoma nje engikhiphe 2018 kuphela lapho ke we talking seasons yakhumbula ko Black Panther kanjalo iKhandlela umama nje zonke lezo ngoma engakhipha 2018 ngizobe ngicula zona kungani ke senza lamathonga lendlela eswenza ngayo ngoba ingoma ziningi enabantu bayithanda zonke ingoma uthola ukuthi manje mangenza ishow nje ngicina kuba nengoma engayicula uthola umuntu mhlambe bethenga ithikithi ngoba befuna ukuzwa ingoma ethize uthola ngicina ngasayiculanga ngase ngithi ngcono senze phe album manje you understand or phe manje wazi ukuthi makuthiwa u2018 tour kuyazi ukuthi uzocula ingoma yakhe pa 2018 kuphela mawuphuma endlini uyazi ukuthi yiziphi ingoma azoyicula futhi so uyazi ukuthi 100% sure ukuthi lezo ngoma uzoyicula noma uthenga ithikithi uyazi ukuthi mhlawumbe because abantu abafani nomunye uthi mina ngithanda ingoma za 2016 omunye athi ngithanda za 2018 omunye athi hayi ngiyazizwa lezo khane ngimthanda manje mina so ngizama ukuthi wonke umuntu athenga ithikithi lento ayazi ukuthi uyayithanda so that angeze kuba nama disappointments nanomuntu ecomplain uthi hayi mina yami ingoma kayiculanga hayi uculele hayi ucule ezintsha hayi wangaculanga endala hayi asifuna endala sifuna ezintsha uyabona leyo confusion leyo so 2018 tour ke ingoma nje ngizenze 2018 izona ngizobe ngicula on the day.
So the tickets are available now already?
Yes, some tickets are available and the way they are moving I can't believe it. It's crazy.
Yay. Yiphi ingoma ke ama-fans wakho ayithandile on this new EP? If you can sing it just a little bit, usinike just that part of it.
Ayithande zonke but abayithande kakhulu ile uyena. Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ingoma accommodate wonke umuntu because lezi ezinye ingoma engasho ukuthi zi personal ngenze ukuthi mhlambe when I've never been into a certain situation so you don't get to relate, but in terms of knowing ukuthi uyedwa umuntu ophethe ikusasa lakho nempilo yakho wonke umuntu yakwazi lokho so ngikholwa ukuthi yona ingoma enza ukuthi futhi ihambe phambili. Ithunkulunkulu kuphelo waziyo ngekusasa la thomunyo thuya zuqamba ma ngoba yena yedwa bathi ngiphethe umadidi inkalaka inqokonqo angina stress singihamba phansi bathi yena yedwa bathi wafika usathana nebandla lakhe wathi samnquma impondo samqumba phansi bathi yena yedwa uNkulunkulu kuphela waziyo ngekusasa la thomunyo thuya soqamba ma bathi yena yedwa.
Oh man, I've covered the studio. Oh man. Thank you so much for coming in the studio. Bungane, you know this is home for you.
Thank you so much.
When you're popping in here, you know we can hold things here.
Kunjalo.
So iphumile ke number EP is out. Ama data phumile wetho asabenzo wathonga. Where do we find you on socials?
Socials ngikhona ke ngitholakala on Twitter @Java_ATM, Instagram @Java_ATM, naku TikTok. Sengine TikTok. Check me out on TikTok ngikhona nakhona. Java_ATM.
My man, thank you so much. We'll see you soon. I'm sure you're coming to Durban soon because you've been
ngiyeza lapha ePlayhouse zokhala nje maduze.
Ubukwa every day. Likhona na ilanga lamahala ungabhukwa kulona. Likhona nje like in 7 days. Kukhona uthi hayi angisebenzi today.
Kuyenzeka sometimes uthatha i-break. Naku January bengithatha i-break nje ukuperform. So ngizobuya kahle nje kwaku February ke and start ukusebenza.
Man, sikufisela uhambo lwakho luhleke mngani wami and then nomsebenzi uhamba uqhubeke as njalo iminyaka uhlule uqhubeka ukhule futhi ube mkhulu kakhulu.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you so much. Ngiyabonga.
Shabo mkaya. Alas Java in the studio sikhuluma ke nge-EP yakhe entsha Inkanyezi is out and available on digital platform as well.